Hi guys, welcome to the channel Idli Vada Sambar. And if you're really new to the channel, subscribe and click on that bell icon so that whenever I put a new video, you'll be get notified. And this is my Instagram ID. Do follow me in this, and all of the social media links are given in the description box. This vlog is about my kid's birthday vlog, and from morning to night what all happened I have included in this. By 8 o'clock we wake up her and showed all the surprises, but she was quite impressed with the chocolates we gave her. And first she wants the chocolates to taste, then only she wants all the puzzles and soft toys. These are all the simple decorations we could make in this lockdown. So I'm not able to get all the stuffs, so I just managed with what all available at home and decorated. And she just chose this heart shaped theme, and I just told in my last vlog about this blender called Artpet. Just see how splashing it is, so I just thought of skipping that video. So she was born by 9:25, so we just cut the cake absolutely by 9:25 and then only we just decorated with some gems. Then next we have moved to this Amanora Mall in Pune. It was approximately 4 to 5 months we are not stepped out of the house for any other roaming like this. Whenever you go to mall or any other supermarkets, take a snap where you parked your vehicles. It could be useful for you to find your vehicles back when you come. The day before her birthday only the malls are opened in Pune, and they were well sanitized, and before entering the mall they just sanitize us and they just checked our temperature. The first thing we entered the mall and we just saw this shop, which is a kind of a Chinese shop which have all the western flavors of sauces and wines over here. We just look around and she wants something to eat, so she was just looking at the chips and candies. So I just thought of buying that candy for her in a surprise. This candy will be little bit tangy and sweet, and she just loved the color of it. The thing she liked the most in it is that heart shape. She came to his papa and showed that. For me, the most disappointing thing in that day is the Health and Glow shop is closed. So my favorite shop is that in the mall all time. As it is Kyle's birthday, she is lucky to have all the toy shop is opened. So we just had a glimpse of all of that. After coming out from that shop, she wanted to roam and explore something. As she was caged 6 months, she was happily roaming here and there, and she was quite missing those small foods, and we too miss those McDonald's burger and iced tea, everything. As we were chilling on one side, we also have the fear of corona, so we thought of coming back home soon. And that day I don't know why she is not in a mood to take pictures. She don't want to take any pictures that day. As she is wearing the mask for the first time, she feels very uncomfortable to wear it. She always drag it down to breathe and then she wear it again. And this flex is kept all over the mall for our safety. And finally we are coming out after 1.5 hours. So nothing special in the mall and we are heading to home. We came out of the mall and it started like drizzling. So we just stand on one point and wear all of our raincoat and start again to home. She don't want to wear the raincoat as it makes sweaty inside. After starting, within 2 to 3 minutes she slept. So we just parked our vehicle nearby and let her sleep for 10 to 15 minutes and then we moved. So this may be experienced by a lot of parents who have the small kids. That day is Kyle's day, so I made all of her favorites that day. Just like that, I asked her, what do you want? She told me, Mama, I want ice cream, I want cake, I want biryani. So I just take it and made everything for her on that day. So we don't eat non-veg on birthdays, so I made this plain biryani with brinjal curry. It's called Katrika Kosta, and we all love lemon and onion salad, and very favorite cauliflower chili. So this is the recipe of that afternoon. Here comes the surprise gift unboxing. That was a superb surprise from my brother-in-law and co-sister, and we all loved the gift. And she was quite impressed with both of the gifts. The first one is this, actually the color book, and the second one is this coloring kit. And she didn't leave both of them. She was keep on coloring and playing with that. By the time of 6, we all went to terrace and spent some time by playing with kites and flying them. No other entertainment is there in this quarantine, so we spend lot of time in terrace. There kids will be playing and we'll be enjoying the sunset. And we came down by 8. Usually we have dinner by 8:30. So our dinner is also ready with the crispy dosa and tomato chutney. And that's how we celebrated Kyle's birthday in Pune. We enjoyed the day a lot, and Kyle is also surprised with gifts and toys that day. And thank you so much for you guys who have patiently watched this video until now. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe guys. Thank you so much. Bye.